Welcome to today's video about Hitachi Vantara VSP 360 Storage Administration HQT-6742 exam. What is Hitachi Vantara VSP 360 Storage Administration exam? Who should take the HQT-6742 exam? Required candidate knowledge. Review the official HQT-6742 exam details. Key knowledge areas covered in the HQT-6742 exam. How to prepare for the HQT-6742 exam. 1. When enabling thin provisioning, administrators must still monitor capacity closely. This is because thin provisioning introduces a specific operational risk. What risk is associated with thin provisioning? A. Reduced I/O performance. B. Over-allocation of physical capacity. C. Loss of replication functionality. D. Increased encryption overhead. 2. An administrator wants to maximize storage utilization while minimizing physical disk consumption. They plan to rely on built-in capacity savings technologies in VSP 360. What is the primary objective of these technologies? A. Simplifying network configuration. B. Eliminating replication requirements. C. Reducing physical storage usage. D. Increasing host CPU efficiency. 3. Which feature differentiates VSP 360 fleet management from managing individual storage systems separately? A. Unified view across multiple storage systems. B. Host multipathing configuration. C. Operating system patch automation. D. Application performance monitoring. 4. In a newly deployed environment, Hitachi VSP 360 Fleet Management does not display any storage systems. The administrator must perform an initial setup task to bring systems under centralized management. What is the primary purpose of this task? A. Installing firmware updates. B. Enabling centralized monitoring and provisioning. C. Configuring replication policies. D. Assigning storage pools. 5. While creating a new volume in Hitachi VSP 360 Fleet Management, an administrator must define several parameters to ensure the volume meets application requirements. These parameters influence how the volume behaves once it is attached to a host. Which parameter is configured during volume creation? A. Volume size and capacity attributes. B. Host operating system type. C. HBA driver version. D. Network routing policy. 6. In which scenario is the REST API most appropriate? A. Viewing system status only. B. One-time manual configuration. C. Host driver installation. D. Integration with external orchestration platforms. 7. A production application requires additional storage capacity, but downtime must be avoided. The administrator plans to expand an already attached volume. What must be verified after expanding the volume? A. Host file system recognizes the new capacity. B. Storage pool RAID level changes. C. Network bandwidth allocation. D. Replication license activation. 8. How does a VSM relate to the underlying physical storage system? A. It replaces physical controllers. B. It operates as a logical partition within the system. C. It functions as a host-based storage agent. D. It runs on a separate management appliance. 9. Why is understanding server attachment technologies important for administrators? A. It eliminates the need for zoning. B. It replaces the need for multipathing. C. It determines application licensing. D. It affects connectivity, performance, and redundancy. 10. What is the primary role of Hitachi VSP 360 fleet management in an enterprise environment? A. Replacing storage system firmware utilities. B. Providing file-level backup services. C. Centralized management of multiple Hitachi VSP systems. D. Performing host-based storage virtualization. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.